Hi students, this is Botany PSR. Today I am going to explain a topic called based on the position of calyx, corolla and androecium. Types of flowers based on the position of calyx, corolla and androecium on thalamus. Flowers are three types: hypogynous, perigynous, epigynous. Hypogynous will be considered as primitive type. Epigynous will be considered as advanced type or evolved type. So we have to say in the sequential order only: hypogynous, perigynous, epigynous. One by one we have to learn. Okay. Hypogynous flowers. Let's see. This is the thalamus. This is the thalamus. What is thalamus? The swollen, this is the pedicel, no? This is the pedicel. The swollen tip of the pedicel is called thalamus, or the top of the thalamus, highest position of the thalamus. Which sex organ is present means gynoecium is present. Gynoecium is present at highest position on thalamus. Remaining floral parts, that is, these are stamens. And petals, and this is the calyx. So this is calyx, this is corolla, this is androecium, and this is gynoecium. So thalamus shape is convex or conical. Thalamus is convex or conical thalamus. Gynoecium is at highest position on thalamus. Gynoecium at highest position on thalamus, and remaining floral parts like androecium, corolla and calyx are present below the ovary, below the gynoecium or ovary. If you observe, this means this is the ovary is at highest position. Remaining floral parts are present below the gynoecium. So that is what type of ovary present means superior ovary present. But axillary organs are inferior with respect to ovary. Axillary organs are downward, ovary is at highest position, no? So ovary is superior. Axillary organs, calyx and corolla, these two are called accessory organs or non-essential organs. Calyx and corolla are called accessory organs. It is represented as symbol G, a dash present below the G. G means gynoecium. If below the G dash is there, means underline, means it is represented as superior ovary. That is type of flowers, hypogynous flowers. So thalamus is convex or conical in shape. Gynoecium is at highest position on thalamus, and remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla and androecium are present below the gynoecium. Ovary is at highest position now. So ovary is superior. Ovary is superior. And remaining floral parts like androecium, gynoecium, and remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla and androecium are present below the gynoecium. It is represented as like this. Okay, what are the examples? Allium, that is onion, brinjal, China rose, mustard. Mustard means brassica. This is about hypogynous, which is considered as primitive type. Next, go to perigynous. What is that? Perigynous. See, look at here. This is the thalamus. Thalamus. Shape of thalamus is concave or saucer shape. At the center of thalamus, ovary is present. At the center of thalamus, gynoecium is present and the remaining floral parts are present. Let's say this is the rim of thalamus. On the rim of thalamus, that is, stamens are present. So this is calyx, this is corolla, this is androecium, and this is gynoecium. So this is thalamus. So where do you find the gynoecium? Gynoecium is present at center of thalamus. Gynoecium is at center of thalamus. And remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla, and androecium are present on the rim of the thalamus. This is the rim of the thalamus. Remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla, and androecium are present on the rim of the thalamus. This is the rim. So gynoecium is at center of thalamus, and remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla, and androecium are present on the rim of the thalamus. So this is here only base of the ovary is attached to thalamus wall. This is the thalamus wall. This is the ovary wall. So that is ovary is attached to thalamus only at the base, not entire. So that is the ovary is attached to thalamus wall only at the base. That means no adnation of ovary wall and thalamus wall except at the base. No adnation of ovary wall and thalamus wall except at the base. What are the examples means? Plum, rose, peach. What are the examples? Plum, rose, peach. Code is PRP. Code is PRP. Plum, rose, peach. Plum, rose, peach. And here also you have to, in hypogynous flowers, another examples also you have to write, that is P. So what are the examples? Plum, rose, peach are the examples of perigynous. What are the points means? Thalamus is concave or saucer shape. Gynoecium is at center of thalamus, and remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla, and androecium are present on the rim of the thalamus. Okay, and which are attached means ovary wall and thalamus wall. This is the ovary wall and this is the thalamus wall. Will they are completely fused? No, only at the base. So that is the ovary wall and thalamus wall are attached only at the base. That means no adnation of ovary wall and thalamus wall except at the base. What does it mean adnation? If dissimilar parts fused means adnation. Ovary wall, thalamus wall, dissimilar parts no adnation. or adhesion. Okay, what type of ovary do you find means here half superior ovary, half superior ovary, also called half inferior ovary. It is represented as G. In the middle you have to write like this. This is represented as like this. Okay. What are the examples? Code is PRP, plum, rose, peach. Next go to epigynous flowers. Epigynous flowers. Let's suppose this is the thalamus. Thalamus is deep cup shape. Thalamus is deep cup shape, and this is the ovary, gynoecium. So that means this is the ovary, the thalamus grows vertically upwards and encloses the ovary completely. The thalamus grows vertically upwards and encloses the ovary completely. So the thalamus shape is deep cup shape. This is the thalamus. And this is the thalamus wall. This is the ovary wall. Both ovary wall and thalamus wall are completely fused. Both ovary wall and thalamus wall are completely fused, and remaining floral parts are present above the ovary. This is the stamens. This is calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Here also stamens. So here ovary is present inside, inner. Ovary is present inner to these organs. So what type of ovary it is? Inferior ovary. Inferior ovary. It is represented as like this. So if this dash is present below the G means hypogynous. Above the G means epigynous. So ovary is inferior ovary, and remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla, and androecium are present above the ovary. So try to understand the differences. Understand the differences, my dear students. Thalamus shape is convex or conical. Here perigynous, thalamus shape is concave or saucer shape. Here the thalamus shape is deep cup shape. Next, what type of ovary do you find? Here superior ovary present, whereas in perigynous flowers half superior ovary or half inferior ovary, whereas in epigynous flowers inferior ovary is present. What is the position of gynoecium? Gynoecium is in hypogynous flowers, gynoecium is at highest position on thalamus, and remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla, and androecium are present below the ovary. So that means ovary become superior. So superior ovary present, and accessory organs are inferior. So ovary is superior, accessory organs are inferior in hypogynous flowers, whereas here This gynoecium is at center of thalamus. Gynoecium is at center of thalamus and remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla and androecium are present on the rim of thalamus. On the rim of thalamus. So, no adnation of ovary wall and thalamus wall except at the base. That means only base of the ovary is attached to thalamus. Remaining part of the ovary is not attached. So, that is no adnation of ovary wall and thalamus wall except at the base. Here what type of ovary present? You may say half superior ovary or half inferior ovary. Examples code PRP, plum, rose, peach. It is represented as G. In the middle we have to write this hyphen, dash, okay, underline. Next, here the thalamus is, thalamus grows upward and enclosing the ovary. Thalamus grows upward and enclosing the ovary completely. Remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla, androecium are present above the ovary. So that means ovary is inferior. Accessory organs are superior. Ovary is inferior. Accessory organs are superior. This is calyx is represented as K. Corolla is represented as C. Androecium A. So, inferior ovary found in epigynous flowers. Examples, code is GCS, guava, cucumber, sunflower. Sunflower means that is ray florets of sunflower. That is also disc florets also we may say. So, ray florets and disc florets of sunflower, guava, cucumber, sunflower. So, thalamus is deep cup shape, inferior ovary. Whereas here accessory organs are inferior. So, superior ovary found in hypogynous flowers, inferior ovary found in epigynous flowers. Accessory organs are superior in epigynous flowers. Accessory organs are inferior in hypogynous flowers. Examples of perigynous flowers, code PRP, plum, rose, peach. Examples of epigynous flowers, that is GCS, guava, cucumber, sunflower, ray florets of sunflower. You may also say both ray florets and disc florets of cucumber. So, please note down all these points, my dear students, and we will meet in the next class.